Z-Shop Worldwide company can change the world by building your own clothing business. I always believe in that. Paano? Yung 10% ng profit natin dito na pupunta sa AITA community. Actually, this pandemic, we raise it up into 20%. So, sa bawat pa-order mo, sa bawat order mo, sa bawat in-order mo sa amin, sa bawat availment mo, sa bawat restock mo, a portion of the profit goes to AITA community. So, we have our own CY Shop Foundation who takes care of everything. Sobrang proud ako dito. Kasi guys, behind a success of Filipina, or behind my success as an entrepreneur, as the founder, as the CEO, is actually a tribe of successful entrepreneurs. I always define success as by the success of these people. Sobrang saya ko every time na nakikita ko tong banner na to. Bakit? These people didn't start their business na alam na nila lahat. But with the guidance that we have here in ZY Entrep Academy, they were able to be successful in their field. Imagine, for as low as 8,000 pesos, pwede ka nang maging mini bodega partner ni ZY Shop. Bakit ko pinababa? Sa totoo lang. Because maraming tao ngayon kailangan ng pag-asa. Burmans is coming. I want you to also be a blessing to other people. Gaya ng lagi kong reminder sa GC natin. I'm very, very proud of you guys. And again, congratulations sa ating mga dropshipper na nagsimula ng 1.5, ngayon silver member na. Walang imposible sa taong matyaga. Walang imposible sa taong may pangarap. And I'm very proud of you, Gibbs, Suelan, Mary Rose, and of course, kay Rigo. Sobrang proud ako sa inyo. So overall, this is the company that you are in. This is ZY Shop Worldwide Company.